I'm Jim, and this is my fearless mountain dog, Frito. I survived 2 major heart attacks and a debilitating stroke that has left my right side permanently numb and difficult to control. Frito is a rejected stray street dog who I rescued from the pound. We have challenged ourselves to a adventurous life living off-grid on a mountaintop. We hope to prove that we may be broken, but we are not beaten. Please join us on our off-grid adventures. I think the corn is ready for planting. Let my people go. Yep, time to put the corn in the ground. Sunflower seeds, they can wait. You want to go outside? You want to go outside, crazy dog? You want to go outside? Huh? Does Frito want to go outside? Frito says, I want to go outside. You think? You think? Okay, we'll go outside. Time to plant some corn. All right, let's get to work here. These guys want to be in the ground. Put one here. Put one here. And another one there. Oh, they look so happy. I'm so happy, Dad. We're going to plant them right next to the sugar cane. So they keep the sugar cane company. And it makes kind of a little barrier here so the neighbors have a little privacy. Sunflower I'm going to put right here. Need that. Ah. Get to work. Here we go. Sugar cane and corn living together in perfect harmony. Oh Lord, why can't we? We're going to add some sunflowers right there. They look so happy. Look how happy they look. I wish sugar cane looked happy. I think I'm overwatering the sugar cane. But that can't be helped. I gotta take showers, I gotta do wash. Everything's biodegradable soap. Sugar cane just looks a little overwatered. Corn, they love water. So I'm hoping the corn will drink all the water. Leave a little for the sugar cane. At least that's my fantasy world. Cool. Windy out today. Well, that's the 360. Let's see what's happening in the garden. Chili peppers. Give it away, get away, get away now. These are not California cating. California cating. That's how you say it. That's spinach coming up. Some stuff's supposed to come up here in the middle. I forgot what. I think this is cabbage. Green peppers. Or green beans, excuse me. I'm just batting 1,000 today. More green beans. Let's take a look at the other side. We got cilantro going crazy, attracting all the bees. Whoa, there goes the lizard. Frito's chasing it. Get it, Frito. I got away from you. Get it, Frito. Where's the lizard? Hope I got that on camera. Action shot. You better watch it. You're going to get your nose bit by a snake. Frito. I give up. Okay, back to the garden. Cilantro. Over here, this bell pepper is starting to come up. Let's go back to the other side. Bell pepper here, but it's not coming up. And then we have, look for it, tomatoes. Little tomatoes. There's some tomato there. And tomatoes, and those stringy things are onions that are coming up. So we got tomato, and onion, and of course my big onions. And there's some more onions come up on that side too. Probably can't see it on this camera. And more tomatoes. They're coming up everywhere. And if we go over here, potatoes. They're going gangbusters. All of them have now come out of the ground. Hello, little tomato. More little tomatoes. Or potatoes, excuse me. God. I'm just out of it. I haven't even spoke to anything yet. Potatoes. Hopefully I get a better potato crop than last year. Alright, Frito gave up on the lizard. Oh, we still need to pour concrete before the second house could go in. But I don't think that's going to happen on my watch. Only way to get up my driveway when it rains. So this is 600-watt array right here. But these panels suck, so it's a very wimpy 600-watt. I just had a water delivery, so my tanks are full. Like I said before in the videos, this is gravity fed to a 280-gallon IBC tote. Which feeds the house through here. And that's where all the solar comes in too. We got a solar panel that operates a fan, pulls the hot air out of the attic area. It's kind of a handy thing. So over here, another 300 watts. It's only 3, even though there's 4 panels, but one panel's busted. That one. So just 300 more watts. I have 900 watt solar total. Gray water system. And my corn and sugar cane. Struggling, but surviving. Just have to see what happens. More solar, running more fans. There's a fan down here on the bottom story. And an attic vent fan up top. Air conditioning. And that's it. Where's Frito? Frito! I don't know. Went somewhere. That's my happy home. You hear that solar fan going. Oh, there's Frito. Frito! What you doing? Say something. Buzz off, Dad. If you haven't noticed, I put my place up for sale. It's not adventurous enough, so I need a little something more to do in my life than just hang out on a mountaintop. So I'm putting my place up for sale. I'm buying a sailboat, and I'm going to sail the Pacific Northwest. So I'll make videos on a boat instead of videos on a mountaintop. So stay tuned.